Hello viewers, today we are going to see about equilibrium of a particle. So the basic definition is the equilibrium of a particle in mechanics refers to the situation when the net external force on the particle is zero. Once again I repeat, equilibrium of a particle in mechanics refers to the situation when the net external force on the particle is zero. First we will consider two forces, force 1 and force 2. By Newton's third law of motion, both are equal and opposite in direction. Therefore F1 is equal to minus F2, so F1 plus F2 equal to 0. Now we have three different forces in different directions. This is F1, this is F2 and this is F3. So F1, you detach this F1 and connect here. That is the tail end of F1 is connected here and it goes like this. The direction angle, nothing is changed. This is nothing but a vector addition. And this is connected from the tail end of F3 is connected from here. This is F1. And from here you are connecting F3. Okay, that's what is drawn here. F2 is in this direction, F1 is in this direction, and F3 is in this direction. So if you see F2, F1, F1, finally it reaches the same point. That is F1 plus F2 plus F3 equal to 0. All are vector quantities. Therefore it can be resolved into x, y and z component. So F1x plus F2x plus F3x is equal to 0. F1y plus F2y plus F3y is equal to 0. F1z plus F2z plus F3z equal to 0. So this is the basic criteria for understanding equilibriums of the particle. So the net external force on a particle is 0. That's the meaning. And F1, F2, F3 are vectors, so it has been resolved into three components: x component, y component and z component. Okay, force 1 x, y, z, force 2 x, y, z component and force 3 x, y, z component. Individual components of x, force 1 and force 2, force 3, if you add it will be 0. Individual components, y components of force 1, force 2 and force 3, if you add it will be 0. Similarly for z also it will be 0. So that's all about basic understanding of equilibrium of a particle. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.